Hello dear students. In our previous class, we have discussed about meaning and definition of cash flow statement and objectives of cash flow statement. In this class, we will discuss about what are the differences between cash flow statement and fund flow statement and steps for preparation of cash flow statement. See, there are many differences between cash flow statement and fund flow statement. First point of difference is basis of concept. Fund flow statement is based on the concept of net working capital. That is, it is a wider concept of fund. It will include net working capital, that is excess of current assets over current liabilities. Here we will take into account the current assets, excess of current assets means we will take into account stock, debtors, etc. But in cash flow statement it is purely based on cash concept of fund, that is it is a narrower concept and it will takes into account only cash concept of our business organization. Then next basis of difference is basis of accounting. On which base of accounting we will prepare cash flow statement and fund flow statement. It is fund flow statement is based on accrual basis of accounting, means whether cash received or not. If we have earned cash, we will take into account in fund flow statement. We will consider that as a cash, for example debtors. But cash flow statement is based on cash basis of accounting and it will takes into account actual cash received and actual cash paid, not earned, but it will takes into account what we have actually earned or actually paid. The next difference is schedule of changes in working capital. While preparing fund flow statement, we will prepare schedule of changes in working capital. But in case of preparing cash flow statement, there is no need of preparing schedule of changes in working capital. Instead of that, we will prepare cash from operations. The next one is indication. What the both the statements indicates. Fund flow statement indicates changes in the working capital position of a concern between two different periods. ಎರಡು ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದು ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ it indicates the changes in the cash position of a concern between two periods. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎರಡು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ in between two balance sheet dates, how cash position of our organization has been changed will indicate cash flow statement. Then next point of difference is cause, that is we on both statements will show causes for what. First one is a fund flow statement shows causes for the changes in working capital. Working capital change ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕಾರಣ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಸಿಕೊಡೋದು fund flow statement. But cash flow statement shows the causes for the changes in the cash position. Cash position ಅಲ್ಲಿ change ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕಾರಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Then basis of usefulness is a point of difference. Fund flow statement is usually used for long-term planning of business organization and cash flow statement is more useful for short-term planning. We will not use cash position for a long-term planning. Then opening and closing balance. It merely matches the sources and uses of fund. That is fund flow statement is just like balance sheet. As a balance sheet tallies assets with liabilities, like fund flow statement matches the sources and uses of the fund. It does not start with any opening and does not end with any closing balance. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ತರ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯೂಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬೋತ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, while preparing cash flow statement, it starts with opening cash and ends with a closing cash balance. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then next base for differentiation is classification of assets and liabilities. In case of fund flow statement, assets and liabilities are classified into current items and non-current items. But in case of cash flow statement, no such classification is necessary. Then which type of statement it is? Based on that, we may differentiate both the statements. Fund flow statement is a main statement. Fund flow statement will take into account the overall funds of the organization, so it is a main statement. And cash flow statement, it is only a supplementary statement. The next one is the purpose of preparing both the statement is a base for difference. First is fund flow statement is prepared for estimating ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಸ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ that is cash flow statement is prepared for cash planning, how much cash is there in our organization and what are the short term obligation of our organization and how to plan for cash in future ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. The next point of difference is method of preparation. It reveals the sources and application of funds. The net difference between the sources and application of funds represent the net increase or net decrease in working capital. ನಾವು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಫಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. As you know, the sources of fund and application of fund ಅನ್ನ T formally arrange ಮಾಡಿ if they where the balancing figure will comes, on that basis we will see the increase or decrease in working capital. Then next one is a cash flow statement. It reveals inflows and outflows of cash. The difference represents the net cash flow. These are the differences between cash flow statement and fund flow statement. Next one is a steps for preparation of cash flow statement. What are the steps to be followed while preparing cash flow statement? There are mainly 3 steps for preparing cash flow statement. First one is a calculate the net incomes or increase or decrease in cash equivalents in the given in the comparative balance sheets. ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಟಿವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ನೆಟ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇಕ್ವಿಲೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. Then next one is second step is calculate cash from trading operations. Trading operations ದಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ there is a lost in cash ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then last one is the preparation of cash flow statement in a approved format. Cash flow statement is prepared as per accounting standard 3. First one is a calculate net cash flows provided or used by operating activities. Total cash flow is divided into 2 parts. First one is a net cash flows from operating activities, that is cash inflowed and cash used in a operating activities. Then next one is a calculator net. Second part is a from investing operations activities, that is a net cash flows from investing activities, that is cash difference between cash inflows and cash outflows from investing activities. Then next one is a net cash flows from financing activities, that is a cash used and cash received from investing activities. We will take into account under these 3 main heads we will prepare cash flow statements. Dear students, for these notes or for this study you may refer Management Accounting by S.P. Gupta and K.L. Gupta, Cost and Management Accounting by Ravi M. Kishore, Taxman Publication, Dr. Z.B. Balgar, Principles of Management Accounting, Ashok Prakashan Hubli, MY Khan and PK Jain, Management Accounting, Tata McGraw-Hill Publications, New Delhi. I am Pandey, Management Accounting, Vikas Publishing House, New Delhi. Thank you for watching the video.